guys, blues button. I'm gonna be the blues button and do the red button. Anyways, I never thought that I was going to make a video on this game, but I'm just doing it. Anyways, if you're watching this, you're not, because guess what? I haven't released this yet, but then you're gonna first see how it is. Dang it. Well, I'm not gonna try anyways because I'm just showing you a bit of it. What am I doing? I'm trying. You might know if you played one of this. You might know this. Look, it's incredibly tricky at the same time. I'm not gonna show you the entire thing. I did play this before. Yeah, I did before. But then I deleted it because it was taking so much space. Anyways, I just wanted to show you that. Let's get on to the real thing. Okay, a monster boxer. Well, it's not what it's called, but it's called Monster Box. And I like this shit. Beware that there's so much noise. Beware for that. Thank you. You just basically kill the enemies, and you can throw your characters in the air to kill the enemies. Woo! Wow! Come on! Double kill! Oh. No! Dang it, this does a lot more. The guy in the bottom will take care of it. I'm gonna get the magician. Oh, that hurts. That's hurting your ears. Don't turn down the volume now. Turn down the volume. Take that and this and that. Triple kill. Think. The magician kind of helps. Wow! Wow! It's gonna be a loud episode. Well, not a loud episode. I mean loud gameplay. It's not a game. It's not a video. No. It's not a video that I played on. Because I'm touching it. Lightning. Man, I know for all day. Yeah. I keep it off like that because before I don't know. I forgot what was the most stupid reason. I was going to say, before I deleted this, I did. Okay, let's speak today. I forgot what I was about to click. What was I about to say? Jeez, I can't remember what I was about to say. I just got distracted for a moment. This is not a video, or I wouldn't be able to touch it. Go punch in the air. Go through. Die. Come on, get them. Booch. Dead. All of a sudden, Slaggy. Haven't you noticed it? It's laggy. Whoa! I broke the game. And guys, I think I broke the game. If you keep doing this, you break the game. Oh God, no. Why? After reset, I paused it so I can do a reset or not. There's no more thing anymore. No, I just resetted it myself. Well, I am dumb. Come on, get them! Come on. It's $7 each kill. need to get burned for you. Baby, I'm on fire! Fire! Ah! Burn! I'm making this 11 minutes video because I wasted a minute showing you a bit of the thing. I don't suck at Charlie Dash because I was a super pro at it before deleting it. I like almost all the icons. Had almost all of the icons, and I managed to defeat the challenge. I found like a thing on that said random song 6. And I think it said the challenge version 3. So I guess he made the creator who put it out there made a challenge 3, I think. And I saw I played it, and I saw I had the same sign of the challenge. So I decided to make a second 2v. Enough about my story. I used to be in a pair. I'm gonna increase it like that. So, cause I need lots of money. I have money. It's a wee money. Wee. They're bouncing bouncers. It doesn't sort of be gone already. Cause if you reach like right there, you'll be dead. I didn't increase the chance. No, lightning! Lightning will hurt. Lightning will damage you. Luckily, nothing else damage you. Although you have to be careful. 11.98 chance. 19% that I'll get raw. I think is what it means. Woohoo! Oh god, I broke the game again. Let it rhyme with me. Nothing is wrong. You're just an idiot. Okay, where's the guy? I'm gonna launch everyone into the sky. Sky! I like this guy because he's flamey. Spooky, scary skeletons don't make you cry. Spooky, scary skeleton, don't send a shiver in your spine. I think I sing it wrong, but still, I like it. Its lightning does a lot of damage, but this kills. It kills almost all of them. Oh Jesus! No! Oh no! I need the swordman! Swordman! You box him! Come on! Come on! Get him! Blah. Why is it always laggy? I just always find that it's always laggy. Okay, I have 30 minutes before I end this video, yay. Shakespeare! Woohoo! Although I did notice that I lost a subscriber. If you're the one that unsubscribed me, please tell me why. Oh, I don't say that I want all the subscribers like, give me a subscriber. I don't think that I feel like that. I just wonder why. I'm not gonna do anything, but I just wonder why. Cause I'm a kind of a curious type of kid. I need to fix my internet. Okay. I'm back. Get things to make you shriek and cry. I wonder what the revival does. Delta. Dora Explorer. Ah! God, there's like thousands in a minute. Ooh! Ah! Does it hurt them? What's the point of them? If they don't hurt. Oh, they probably don't drop it. They just die. They drop it when they're dead. How do it feel? Oh, like that. And that has a chance of reviving. I guess. Yeah, that gave a chance of reviving. Wait, what am I doing? That's not. So it gives it a chance of revival. Die. I think so. I'm not sure, but I think so. I think so. A bit more. 50 of them. Should be more. Should be good, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Bye bye.